I'm Andy Eden. I'm a major account director with AppsCare. We're an enterprise partner, a premier enterprise partner with Google, and we deliver deployments for some of the major organisations that decide to go Google. That typically is a piece of work that consists of technical deployment, communications, change management, and also the ongoing support of their environment. So it's beginning to end. It's a really interesting place to be, actually. We're currently using Microsoft Office and Exchange, or maybe Lotus Notes, and we've been using that for 20 years. How do we get across from a traditional on-premise environment into something that actually is radically different for most traditional businesses? And there are some complications which we know that are going to break, that you need to think about and plan. And I guess I was trying to impart the journey that an enterprise customer would have to make to go Google. Obviously, one of the things that you get from an event as an exhibitor is you get to speak to people in the market in an unguarded fashion, and you hear what they're interested in, as opposed to a sales engagement and in the normal way. And actually, what's being mentioned an awful lot is collaboration. People are looking to make transformations in their business. They're hearing about other organisations that have, in our case, gone Google. People like Just Eat, Grassroots Group, Travelodge, Odeon Cinemas. These are all businesses that we've taken Google, and they're all businesses that actually have quite a strong brand image on the other side to their customers. And I think people are realising that actually there's an opportunity to change as a migration to the cloud.